Shiba Inu Coin is making a beautiful comeback today, and the overall cryptocurrency market is beginning to bounce. Man, I hope we have hit those bottoms. I hope they're in, and I hope we continue to move higher. But we've got some Shiba Inu Coin statistics that we're going to be going over in this video because transaction volume is soaring. It is through the roof, and transaction volume exploding at a time when the market could be bottoming could be an excellent buy sign and buy opportunity. One that will transfer over into the smaller players in the game like PlayDoge. We're going to be talking about the PlayDoge presale as well, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I've bought into the PlayDoge presale, and I am excited about this one. These guys continue to sell out despite the overall market turbulence that we've been in. So at any time during this video, if you guys find yourself interested in buying, you've got links down in the description below. You can pull this website up here. You're going to be able to connect your wallet, but let's go over that in a second here. We saw that Shiba Inu Coin went from about 1,600 points per coin to 1,800 points per coin today. The rally is back on. Hopefully the bottom is in. And this marks the best buying opportunity that we could have during this bull market. Shiba Inu Coin transaction volume is exploding despite the market turbulence. Now, with transaction volume exploding, with whales beginning to accumulate once again, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Shiba, all of these bouncing off recent bottoms, I hope that we begin to bounce back up and get ready for new all-time highs now. I'm excited about it. So let's talk about what this means here. In the context of high volatility in the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu Coin stands out with a spectacular increase in transaction volume. This surprising development comes as the meme coin sector experiences a rebound after a significant correction. And dude, moving from about 3,000 points per coin down to 1,600 points per coin on Shiba Inu there is a very significant correction. And Bitcoin going from 70,000 down to 58,000, we're talking some severe moves. A resurgence of interest in SHIB despite turmoil in the crypto space. The crypto market has gone through its tumultuous period in the last 24 hours with notable drops for many assets. Shiba Inu Coin was not exempt from this trend, recording a 6.4 decrease at its lowest point. However, the resilience of SHIB quickly manifested with the token now showing a 3% gain compared to the previous day. The most striking element remains the explosion in transaction volume for Shiba Inu Coin. According to CoinMarketCap data, this surged by 140% over the last 24 hours. This massive increase reflects renewed investor interest in the meme coin despite uncertain market conditions. Guys, I am telling you right now, the whales are ready to buy. They are not scared of the dips. And when you dip in a bull market, it does lead to the perfect dip buying opportunity with a 140% increase in volume. With Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin bouncing the way that they are, the bottom could be in and we may begin to rise here. And if we do, you are going to see an uptick in tokens like PlayDoge. And when PlayDoge continues to rise, the price is going to continue to rise until launch day. Then the market takes over, and man, oh man, think about it. If the rebound truly is beginning right now, and if PlayDoge launches about the same day that Bitcoin is hitting new all-time highs, Ethereum ripping up and moving higher, Shiba Inu Coin hitting fresh highs, PlayDoge could soar 5, 10, 20x or even more. If you guys missed the price prediction video from yesterday, please go watch the price prediction video. I'll give you a little spoiler. It's very good price predictions. So make sure to go watch that one. But let's talk about it. If you do want to buy, you're going to click the link in the description below. You're going to pull up this website. You're going to click Connect Wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect. I like to open my wallet on my phone, scan the QR code, connect my wallet, and then make my purchase. You're going to decide how much you want to buy. So if you want to grab one Ethereum worth, you're walking away with 653,000 PlayDoge. If you want to go, 2 Ethereum worth, you can. If you'd rather come over here and get a nice round number, you can do that as well. It is completely up to you. You can also buy with BNB or USDT on either network. And if you're staking on the Ethereum network, you're earning 131% annualized interest. Guys, 131% annualized interest is incredible. You're not going to be getting that anywhere else. And you don't have to deal with the volatility. I prefer to remain a little more liquid, but if you prefer the passive income and those steady gains and no stress of trading, that could be an excellent strategy. They're building a play to earn game. they're building a Tamagotchi-style app with some side-scroll adventures as well. So scrolling through here, you can see that this is the graphics for the Tamagotchi-style app that they are building here. Very, very nice, actually. Very easy to play. You guys remember Tamagotchis, taking care of your little virtual pet, but you're going to be earning cryptocurrency now. You're going to be earning PlayDoge now. And on top of the Tamagotchi app, you're going to have these side-scrolling adventures, very similar to Donkey Kong, looks like here. And then, of course, you've got the retro-style arcade games that you're going to be able to play in minigame format as well. And those are going to be released in Phase 4 of their roadmap. You're going to have the PlayDoge app released to launch in the minigames, community airdrops, and further centralized exchange listings. If you guys want to break down to the tokenomics, you can find a breakdown of the tokenomics here. 9.4 billion total tokens, 50% going to the pre-sales, 6.5 to community rewards, 11.5 to liquidity, 10 to marketing, 10 to project funds, and 10 to staking. You get the tutorial if you can't figure out how to connect your wallet, step-by-step process right there. And the most frequently asked question that I see, when can you claim? You're going to be able to claim when the pre-sale is over. When is the pre-sale over? The pre-sale is over after 40 stages, okay? I've been told there's going to be 40 stages of this pre-sale. We've already been through roughly 12 or 13 of them, so you guys still have almost 30 price increases. I mean, showing you it's not too late to get in. Right, you're going to have a nice padded position upon launch with 30 different price increases. Now, I always like to bring up their X account to show you how well they're growing out here. And these guys have surpassed 5.5 thousand followers, $5 million. And, wow, dude, 1 minute ago. What are the chances? What are the chances? Let's just click. I thought I was going to be the first, but, you know, whatever. Fast enough on that. We need a hype man in our lives. That you do. That you do. Guys, PlayDoge is looking very good. They're keeping a lot of interest out on X. They're very engaged out there. The pre-sale is selling out despite the crazy pullback that the market has seen over the last couple of days. I believe they're doing everything right, which is why I bought into PlayDoge. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are buying into PlayDoge. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.